Hey, have no fear, Big Joe is here. I hear Murray Ford checking out some cars. Look at this Charger, Daytona 392. Ain't she sweet? Yeah, yellow with the black accents on it. Yeah. Gorgeous color. Gorgeous car. Yeah. This out here hanging out, get my oil changed in my car, man. Looking around at some cars. I don't know what my next car might be. Yeah. Seriously thinking about a Charger or a Challenger. Seriously thinking about that. Oh, look at this gray F-150. It's a beauty. Simply a beauty. If you want to come and get you a nice Ford, man, come to Murray Ford in Kingsland. Nice trucks. Black. Like that black. All my vehicles are black. I don't know about that. Yeah. Yeah, man. 392 is beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Just out here, they're checking out some cars, man. Ooh. Look at this Crimson Tide 50 right here. Ooh. Beauty. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. I don't know see what year it is. Hey, as is. It's a 2017 fastback. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Yeah. It's beauty. Yeah. Look at this color on here, man. The blue with the black stripe going down the middle. Nice. Simply nice. Yeah, yeah. It's V6 though. At least it's a Mustang, right? Yeah. Yeah. I know I better step my game up, man. Oh. I don't know if I want me a channel or another car or truck. These trucks look pretty nice out here. Yeah? Comment below and let me know whether I'll get me another car or a pickup truck. Yeah, just out here enjoying the beautiful day, man. It's a little windy down here and stuff. It's like 65 degrees. And by the way, it's August and I keep on saying August. It's November the 9th, 2019. Yeah. Nice truck right here. Off-road. F-150, yeah, platinum. Beautiful. Beautiful cars out here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't keep my eyes off this one right here. This 2017. This is nice. Nice. It's blue. Blue 14 or 13 right here. Same body style as my black. Oh, it's a stick shift. That's 2014, guys. Yeah. With the factory wheels and stuff. I had some wheels like that on my 14. I took them off the first year. I mean, make the car look too plain looking and whatever. But it's a nice blue car and stuff. Probably look good with some black racing stripes on it. You know what I'm saying? It's 5.0. 14. Yeah. Nice cars out here, man. Nice rides. The 4x4 F-150 is really nice. Like I said, it's black. Yeah. Yeah. Black. On that Charger look good, man. It's yellow. Black wheels and stuff on it. Daytona 392. Yeah. Fusion. Black Fusion. My wife used to have one of these. Traded in, got her Escape. I don't know why she got rid of the car. It was nice. 13, 14 Ford Fusion. Pecan interior. Like that interior. Yeah. Used Silverado, nice. Yeah. Nice cars out here, man. Nice cars, trucks. I don't know, I kind of like that Charger back there, man. That yellow Charger with the black accents on it and stuff. Looks real good. They got Ford Rangers out here and stuff. I don't know, man. I don't know about getting another Mustang, but you know, this Charger. I like that color on that Charger. Looks good. Yeah. Ford Ranger. Nice. Ford Ranger got a nice price too. I don't know if you see it. It's $40,000. Yeah. Got a blue one right here. Man, Ford is doing the damn thing. Bought the Ranger back. Bought the Ranger. Nice. Ford Ranger. Nice little SUV right here. I don't need no SUV. I don't have no kids and nothing like that. It's an Explorer. Yep. Got some Escapes over here. My wife has a 2016 Escape. I don't really like them. It look like they made for a kid or something. From my house out in college or whatever and stuff, and carry their books and laptops and other stuff, going and traveling back and forth to see their mom, their parents and stuff. But look at it. Look at this green monster right here. Ooh. Look at that color on that bad boy. Yeah. Good God Almighty. Ooh. That thing is hard. Look at that color. Green with the black racing straight down the middle. Got the Brembo brakes, all that. It's got cloth interior and stuff all like that. But I guess the outside makes up for the inside. Preferably, I like the leather interior and stuff. But the color is hard, man. Whew. Jeez, I gotta step my game up. YouTube, hey, come on, man, help me get them subscribers up, man, so I can do the damn thing. I'm out here confused. I'm getting my oil changed in one of my cars and stuff, but jeez. Whew. I need cars, man. If I had the cash, I'll be walking out of here probably with two of them. Probably this right here, and probably that Charger in that red one, that crimson red over there, 250. That's automatic, but no, it's a stick shift. This is 17. I think this is a 19 right here. Yeah, this is a 6-speed right here with a cloth interior, but like I said, the outside makes up for the inside. Nice. I know you probably can't see that, guys, but that thing is nice. Jeez. Boy. Nice. Hey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, you want a Ford, come on down to Murray Ford, man, Kingsland, man. To hook you on up. Man, it is tight. I said I wouldn't get another Mustang unless this was a Shelby or whatever. Woo. I don't know. The green looks really good. Yeah. Got another damn black Mustang right there. Yeah. Man, like I said, man, I'm out here to get my oil change down there, dealership or whatever, walk around, killing some time, looking at some cars. Like I said, if I had cash in hand, I would get that 392 and I would get this definitely green 5.0. Love Mustangs, man. The best muscle car you can get, more bang for your buck. Bang for your buck, man. But anyway, man, today is Saturday, November the 9th. Boy, this money is going by fast. And for all my faithful YouTube subscribers, keep on subscribing. Keep watching my videos. Keep sharing my video. For your haters, keep watching my videos too. You know what I'm saying? Make your haters your motherfucking motivators. Yeah. Hey, Jay Walden in Augusta, man, I love you. Hopefully I see you soon, man. Then this is Big Joe, and I am out. Yeah.